Make estimating sums as easy as 1, 2, 3. Hello learners! Welcome back to another exciting episode on English number learning. Today we are diving into the world of math with addition. Not only that, but we'll be tackling a vital topic that will come in handy in your day-to-day life, called estimating sums. Sounds intriguing, right? So, let's dive in. Before we jump into estimating sums, we need to understand what we mean by estimating. In a nutshell, estimating is about making a smart guess. When we estimate, we're not looking for an exact number, but rather, a close approximation. This technique can be especially useful when dealing with larger numbers that might be difficult to add precisely. Now, let's get our hands dirty with some numbers. Why should we learn to estimate, you ask? Well, estimating is a practical skill that is used in everyday situations. Whether you're trying to figure out if you have enough money to buy groceries or estimating the time it'll take to complete a task, estimating comes to the rescue. Plus, it's a faster method than exact addition with larger numbers, and trust me, it can be a real lifesaver. Alright, now that we know what estimating is and why it's important, let's get into the core of our topic. Estimating sums with larger numbers. So, how do we do it? 1. Rounding off. First, we need to round off the numbers. Remember how we round to the nearest 10 or 100? That's precisely what we do here. For instance, if we have 243 plus 379, we would round these to 240 and 380 respectively. 2. Add the rounded numbers. Now that we have simpler numbers, let's add them up. So, 240 plus 380 equals 620. And that's it. You've just estimated the sum of these numbers. But keep in mind, the result isn't exact. It's an approximation. The actual sum of 243 plus 379 is 622, so our estimate was pretty close, wasn't it? The best way to get good at estimating sums is by practicing. So, let's try with a few more examples. 1. 67 plus 345 equals. Round these to 70 and 350. So your estimate would be 420. 2. 129 plus 532 equals. Round these to 130 and 530, so your estimate would be 660. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at estimating. And there you have it. You now know what estimating is, why it's important, and how to use it to add larger numbers quickly. Remember, estimation is all about making a smart guess. It might not give us the exact answer, but it will definitely provide a close approximation in a short span of time. Keep practicing, and soon, estimating sums will be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thanks for joining us today. Happy learning, and see you in our next episode.